So, let's say you finally got that new job, landed a big contract, or even won millions from the lottery. Maybe it's a massive court settlement or just the biggest paycheck of your life. And what's the first thought that hits? Hi, I'm Matt, and welcome back to Wealthy Report, where we dive into the real strategies the wealthy use to build and protect their money. The excitement of receiving huge money is overwhelming. You feel a rush of adrenaline, a sense that everything you've ever wanted is finally within reach. Suddenly, the future looks brighter, and you can't help but imagine all the ways your life could change. You picture yourself behind the wheel of your new Bentley or Range Rover, jet-setting to exotic destinations, or walking through high-end boutiques, picking out something sleek, shiny, or Instagram-worthy. Things you once thought were out of your league. The urge to upgrade your lifestyle is powerful. It's almost magnetic. The pull to reward yourself for all your hard work, to show the world you've made it. But here's the catch. This is the exact moment when most people make what's known as the million-dollar mistake. It's a crossroads, and the decision you make here can shape your financial destiny for years to come. The mistake? Confusing the feeling of being rich with the reality of being wealthy. It's easy to let the thrill of sudden money cloud your judgment, making you believe you're set for life when, in reality, you're just one decision away from losing it all. That feeling is fleeting, fueled by spending and instant gratification. True wealth, on the other hand, is built quietly, over time, with patience and discipline. It's about making choices that protect and grow your money, not just spending it. The real mistake isn't treating yourself to something nice, it's letting your emotions take the wheel, making big financial decisions without a plan, and ignoring the future for the sake of the present. That's why so many people who receive a windfall, whether it's a lottery win, a big bonus, or an inheritance, end up right back where they started or even worse off. They focus on how to spend the money, not how to keep it or make it grow. They treat wealth as something to consume, a fleeting experience rather than an asset to nurture and build for the long term. This is the crucial difference between being temporarily rich and becoming permanently wealthy. One is about the thrill of the moment, the other is about securing your future. Recognizing this moment, pausing before you act and thinking long-term, is the first step toward lasting financial success. It's about shifting your mindset from spending to building. The path you choose now, in this moment of excitement, will determine your financial future. Will you let the feeling fade, or will you use it as fuel to build real, lasting wealth? Most people lose their windfall or never build wealth for one reason: no structure. It's not just about bad luck or lack of opportunity. The truth is, without a clear plan, even the biggest paydays can slip through your fingers. People often think that earning more will solve their problems. But without a system, more money just means more ways to lose it. Money decisions are driven by emotion, excitement, insecurity, boredom, leading to impulsive spending. We buy things to feel better, to impress others, or simply to fill a void. These emotional triggers are powerful, and without awareness, they quietly drain our bank accounts. Every swipe of the card or click to buy is often a reaction, not a plan. It's not about how much you make, but the systems and mindset you use. A person earning an average salary but following a disciplined plan can outpace someone with a huge income but no structure. Mindset shapes habits, and habits shape your financial destiny. Lottery winners and athletes often go broke because they never learned to manage, grow, or protect money. Sudden wealth can be overwhelming, and without the right habits, it disappears as quickly as it came. Fame and fortune don't teach you how to say no, invest wisely, or plan for the future. Money doesn't fix habits, it magnifies them. If you're careless with a little, you'll be reckless with a lot. The same patterns that keep you broke will follow you no matter how much you earn. If you overspend when you're broke, you'll overspend when you're rich, just on bigger things. The stakes get higher, but the underlying issues remain. More money simply gives you more room to make the same mistakes, only now the consequences are bigger. Without a system, more money means more chaos. Bills pile up, investments get ignored, and opportunities slip away. Organization and structure are what turn income into lasting wealth. High earners can still live paycheck to paycheck, while modest earners can quietly build wealth. It's not about the size of your paycheck, but how you manage what you have. Quiet discipline beats flashy spending every time. The difference? A deliberate, unemotional approach to money. Treating finances like a game of strategy, not a game of chance. Every decision is intentional, every dollar has a job. Treat your finances like a business, set goals, create strategies, and follow rules. Review your progress, adjust your plan, and stay accountable. This is how real wealth is built, step by step. Wealth isn't an accident, it's a choice, backed by discipline. It's the result of daily habits, small sacrifices, and a commitment to your future self. Build a system, not just a paycheck. Automate your savings, track your spending, and invest in your growth. Make your money work for you, not the other way around. That's how you escape the cycle. Break free from old patterns, and you'll find that wealth isn't just possible. It's inevitable with the right system in place. What's the wealthy's secret? It's not just about how much they earn, but how they think before they act. The difference between those who build wealth and those who don't often comes down to one simple habit: planning before spending. They don't let emotions or impulse guide their wallets. Instead, they map out every dollar before it leaves their hands, ensuring their money works for them, not the other way around. Step 1. Pause. Let the excitement settle. Before you buy, take a breath and ask yourself 3 crucial questions. What do I truly need right now? Is this purchase aligned with my bigger goals? Will it bring lasting value or just a fleeting thrill? Next, consider your future. How much can I invest? Not just in stocks, but in myself, my skills, or my business? Every dollar you invest is a seed for tomorrow's growth. Then ask, how much can I responsibly enjoy? Life isn't just about saving, it's about balance. Set aside a portion for fun, but make sure it fits within your plan. Start by covering your essentials, pay off high-interest debt, keep your bills current, and build an emergency fund to protect against life's surprises. This is your financial foundation, the bedrock that keeps you stable no matter what comes your way. Once your base is secure, allocate as much as possible to investments, whether it's stocks, real estate, or launching a side hustle. The goal is to make your money multiply. Shift your mindset from consumer to owner. When you invest, you're not just spending. You're building assets that generate income and grow over time. Finally, reward yourself. Set aside a small, guilt-free portion, maybe 5 to 10%, to celebrate your progress. Enjoy a treat, a dinner out, or a small luxury, knowing it's part of your plan. This prevents burnout and keeps you motivated. When you see the results of your discipline, you'll want to keep going. The key is structure. Plan, invest, and reward in balance. This system keeps your finances healthy and your goals in sight. Over time, this blueprint transforms ordinary income into lasting wealth, creating opportunities for you and your loved ones. Don't skip the plan. Make it your first move every single time. It's the foundation of every financial success story. That's how fortunes are built, one thoughtful decision at a time. With a plan in place, it's time to put your money to work. Every dollar is an employee. Send it out to earn more, not just to be spent. The wealthy invest for growth, not for show. Focus on proven long-term strategies. Index funds, real estate, or dividend stocks. Passive income is the goal. Money that comes in whether you work or not. Real estate, dividends, or online businesses can all generate income streams. Invest in yourself too. Skills and time-saving tools multiply your earning power. Every dollar should either make you more money or buy you more time. This is the engine of real wealth. Don't just work for money. Make your money work for you. That's how you scale beyond a salary. A plan is only as good as its execution, so automate it. The wealthy set up systems that run on autopilot, removing emotion and error. Automate savings and investments. Set up transfers to your investment account every payday. Consistency matters more than the amount. Pay yourself first automatically. Reinvest all returns. Let compound interest work its magic. Over time, small regular investments grow exponentially. Protect your wealth too. Get proper insurance and use legal structures like LLCs for assets. Defense is as important as offense. Your system should build and protect wealth, quietly and consistently. Set it up once and let it run. That's how you build real, lasting wealth. Wealth isn't luck or a secret. It's a system and a mindset. You don't need a windfall to start. Begin with your next paycheck. Here's your action plan. Pause before spending, create a plan, pay off debt, invest, and set aside a small reward. Make your money work for you. Invest in assets and automate everything. Reinvest your earnings and protect your assets. The biggest obstacle isn't knowledge, it's inaction. The best time to start was yesterday, the second best is now. Take one small step today. Set up an automatic transfer, pay down debt, or write your plan. This is Matt from WealthyReport. Subscribe for zero-fluff finance truths that actually help you build wealth. New video.